Wise account restricted. What to do? Is your Wise account restricted? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly what to do to resolve their restriction. Step 1. Check notifications and email. First, check your email and in-app notifications from Wise. They usually explain why your account was restricted and what action is required. Step 2. Gather required documents. Next, prepare the documents Wise is asking for. This may include a valid ID, proof of address, or transaction-related information. Step 3. Submit the information to Wise. Follow the link provided by Wise and securely upload the requested documents. Make sure all details are clear and accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Wait for review and response. Once submitted, Wise will review your information. This process can take a few days, so be patient and respond promptly if Wise requests more details. If your Wise account is still restricted after completing these steps, contact Wise support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.